Okay guys, today I'm gonna be doing my nails. So I'm gonna be using these soft gel nail tips from Shein. And here I have some alcohol wipes, a cuticle pusher, one portable UV lamp, glue from Naimeli because it's HEMA, HPMA, TPO free, dehydrator and primer from Motor One. You have to make sure that your nail tips fit you from sidewall to sidewall, and that will be the widest part of your nail over here. And if you have something like this, like your nail is showing, that's too small, or if it's overlapping like this, that's too big. If you are in between sizes, you can just take a nail file and make it fit properly to your nail size around the cuticle area as well. Sometimes these nail tips are more square, and my particular cuticle shape is more rounded. The only thing that is more square is the thumbnail. That one I always customize, but in this case it fits very well like this. These ones are more on the flat side, and I like it because I don't want to put too much gel in here. If you're doing like super long nails, okay, it's a good idea to have a bigger apex, which is this area that will support your nail. So let me go ahead and choose all my sizes, customize it, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, here you go guys, I finished filing the nails. I file as much as I can before I apply them, just not to have a lot of extra work when I apply them. So see, they fit nicely. Even if you have to bend the nails like this a little bit to make them fit around the curvature of your natural nail, you can do that, and then that helps as well. As you can see here, the nail tip is hugging my natural nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my natural nails and apply them. Let me move this here. I have this metal tool. I'm removing the dead skin sitting on top of the nail plate, which is cuticle, and this is usually the main issue for lifting. Then I'm going to clean everything very well with alcohol and continue to the application. One additional step that I like to do is buff the nail or file the nails around the edges and near the cuticle area, again just to make sure that is nothing left there, any of the dead skin. And I'm using the 180 grit file. As you can see, this is what I do. I prep the edges as well. If you have virgin nails and you've never done this type of prep, then it's recommended to do the whole nail. This is with a very gentle pressure. You don't want to damage your natural nails, and this helps a lot with the lifting issues. Next, dehydrator and primer. Dehydrator is gonna clean your nails and remove any oils on the nail plate. Let it air dry for 30 seconds. And next the primer, and do the same, let it air dry for 30 seconds. Thin layer in the center here. Don't let this one touch your skin. And let it air dry for 30 seconds. Okay, something like that, and it's gonna look like shiny like this, and it's gonna be like a sticky, it's gonna act like a double-sided tape between the gel glue and the nail tip. Okay, let it dry. You don't have to do this, but I do like to put some primer inside the nail tip. You can do this as well with a nail file, just file the inside of the nail tip to create some type of texture. So the gel glue has something to attach to. Time for application. Now I'm gonna be using this portable UV lamp to help me with this. So I'm gonna probably end up putting it in my mouth because I don't have the stand for this. After reshaping, this is how the nails are looking right now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with the color application, but before that, I'm going to apply some primer on top of the nail tips. You can do this step as well by buffing the nails. And after this, I'm gonna continue with base gel and cure it for 60 seconds. Today I'm gonna be using this beautiful color from Amelie. It's a nice pink. I'm gonna be applying 2 layers of this and cure each layer for 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna continue with a beautiful cat eye gel polish from Born Pretty. What I have next to me there is alcohol and a brush just to clean any messes that will touch my skin. It's better to clean it right away and not to cure it onto your skin, because then it will be harder to remove. After the 2 coats of the pink, this is how the nails are looking, and then I'm going to continue with the cat eye. I don't feel like doing like a lot of nail art today, so the cat eye is perfect for me. And I'm gonna use a magnet just to give it some shine, and then I'm gonna be flash curing in between nails, because for the cat eye gel polish you do need to flash cure to make sure that the little magnets inside the polish won't move out of place. And then I will do a final cure for 60 seconds. I want to mention as well that this cat eye gel polish is temperature changing. If you put it in the heat, it becomes more white, and then in the cold it comes back to the pink color that it has. And don't forget to check the links in the description down below. I'm gonna be listing all the items that I used today, including this Born Pretty cat eye gel polish, and I'm gonna leave down below and as well my discount code with Born Pretty. So if you would like to check it out, you can do that. Thank you. After curing the top coat for 60 seconds, these are the final results for today. I really love these nails, they're so cute. If you stay until the end of the video, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.